One of the very first things we have to do when building a website is give each of our website's pages a unique name. Before I show you how to do that, I want to quickly show you how an iWeb website's URL looks in the address bar when the site is published straight from iWeb. Pay very close attention to this part as it is very important. The address includes the domain, the site name, and each page's file name, which I will refer to as a page name. But where do all of these items come from? Well, if you look at your website's publish page in iWeb, you will see your domain is down here, the site name is up here, and the page name comes from each of these pages' names over here. All of these combined turns into this URL you see in your address bar. In a video later on, I am going to show you how you can reduce the URL so that the site name does not show up. But I do want to warn anyone who currently has high rankings in search engines about something very important. Most of you probably do not have high rankings yet, but if you do, try to not change things like the page name or the URL structure. The reason for this is because if you do change it, you will most likely ruin those rankings. I will illustrate what I mean by this. When I do a search for digital cameras, this is the first result I see. This page is here because Google's algorithm has determined that this page should be ranked in this spot based on its relevance and many other factors. If the webmaster goes and changes important things about this page, such as the page name or even some of the words in the title tag, then this page's rankings is most likely going to change as well. We will talk more about title tags later on in the course. But for the rest of you who don't have their pages ranking well right now, I'm going to show you how you can change your page names. Page names can be a good place to insert our descriptive keywords. So for example, if this page here talks about left-handed golf clubs, that would be a good name for this page. To change the page name, highlight the page and click on the Inspector button. Click on the Page tab and type in your new page name. Try to use only lowercase letters with hyphens or dashes separating each word.